Going to get some eggs. Going to get some eggs. Nope. All right, here we are. Looks like we have one pretty lady who wants to come in and say hello. But we'll just get to collecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. None in there, none in there. All right, well, 10 eggs of the day. Oh, but wait, I actually missed one. 11. 11 eggs. And maybe I did miss more, I don't know. But hopefully she comes back in to make her deposit. Are you coming back? I'm gonna leave so you can make your deposit. Don't talk about it, be about it. All right, message received. Have a nice day.